নমস্কার বন্ধুগণ, আজকে আমরা পরবর্তীকালে পার্ট 2 এর 14 নম্বর কোশ্চেন থেকে আলোচনা করব, যা জেএনইউ ইউনিভার্সিটিতে 2019 সালের এমএ এমএসসি এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামে এসেছিল। কান্ট্রিজ ইনস্টিটিউট ইনপুট সাবসিডিজ ইন এগ্রিকালচার টু বি destroy both pattern of economic agriculture product and consumption. Intensive agriculture, intensive subsistence farming is characteristic of area of high density population and developed technology. A special distribute of settlement with different population size is based dot method. The statement that the journey to work is 15 minutes by bus is an example of absolute distance. For working out growth of population, we require birth, death in migration and out migration for the period. Identify the correct statement. Regional income inequality are typically greater in less developed country than developed ones. Physical quality of life index PQLI, including all of following factor except housing condition. এই তিনটে কন্ডিশন যেমন ইনফ্যান্ট মর্টালিটি, লাইফ এক্সপেক্টেন্সি আর লিটারেসি, এই তিনটি ফিজিক্যাল কোয়ালিটি অফ ইন্ডেক্সের সূচক, অর্থাৎ উত্তরটি হবে এ। Which one of the following is not true with respect to interval scale? See, the correct of ratio in meaningless on interval scale. Kirkuk is most important oil field in Iraq. Horticulture is currently pesticides in the temperate region. Location of sugar industry in India is shifting from north to south because high oiled and high sugar construct in sugar cane. Which one of the following, which of this is not the accept effect of global climate change? Expanding glacier. The dinosaur appeared on the Earth's surface during the dinosaur Triassic period. Chemical weathering is more pronounced hot and humid climate. A stream that flow parallel to the major stream for long distance. A stream long distance and before join is called Yuzu River. Theory and concept suggest that content of South America and continent of South America and Africa once joined together was continental depth theory. Disaster Management Act was passed by Parliament in 2005.